Imagine effortlessly transforming your social media presence, engaging your audience, and growing your brand, all while saving precious time. With SocialBee, this dream becomes reality, letting you focus on what do you do best, running your business. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to use SocialBee for social media. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into socialbee.com. So this is the homepage as you can see. But what is SocialBee? SocialBee is a social media management platform that helps users create, schedule, and manage their social media content efficiently. It offers tools for content categorization, analytics, and audience engagement, enabling businesses and individuals to enhance their online presence and streamline their marketing efforts. So to sign up, all I have to do is click over sign up for free and you write your email address and your password, then you get started and you will find this page we have here in the dashboard here as you can see. So this is the dashboard as you can see. We have here hello, stay on top of your social hive by creating and scheduling posts consistently. So we have here getting started with SocialBee. Set up your account in just a few steps. The first step, you have to connect social accounts to increase your online presence. Then we have the second step, which is define your content categories to manage and diversify your posting strategy. Then we have the third step, which is schedule categories to craft the perfect posting plan. And the last step, which is create and customize posts for each network. If we scroll down, we have your connected social accounts, view and manage your social accounts in one place. Also, if we scroll down, we have here connect a new account. Add more social accounts to increase your online performance. The first thing we have here Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google Business Profile, TikTok, YouTube, Blosky, Universal Posting. Then we have your service marketplace. You have formed a partnership with Fiverr, granting you access to a diverse range of service providers within the SocialBee certified marketplace. We have here hire SocialBee experts. Then we have here are you an agency also. Then we have your SocialBee University, unlock the dynamic world of digital marketing with courses and events that covers all social media strategies. We have here become a social media manager, how to use SocialBee. So that's it for the dashboard. But before go to content, I will explain you how it works with SocialBee. So SocialBee is a powerful tool for managing your social media presence effectively. To get started first, as I mentioned before, and as I did before, sign up for an account and connect your social media profiles. Then create content categories based on your marketing goals, such as promotions, industry news, and engagement posts. You can schedule posts in advance, allowing you for consistent sharing without daily effort. Use the content calendar to visualize your posting schedule and adjust as needed. Additionally, take advantage of SocialBee's recycling feature, which helps your purpose evergreen content, maximizing its reach over time. Finally, monitor engagement analytics to refine your strategy and optimize future posts. With SocialBee, you can streamline your social media efforts and enhance your online visibility efforts lessly. So then we have here content. About content, we have firstly categories. So let's wait. So about categories, we have here create category. So you click over it and then you write category name and description here. You can just use ChatGPT for example and you create your category. Then you have your default settings, for example. You add new posts, for example, the top of the category, the bottom of the category also. Then you switch on between that and also this one. Then you click over create category and you get started. You have your content categories. Content is king and you will feel the same once you start adding it to your categories. Then we have also hashtag collection. You click over add hashtag collection and you get started. Hashtag collections, add and edit or delete your hashtag collections from here. You'll be able to quickly add them to your posts as you can see. Then we have import CSV. It only takes a few clicks to import a bulk of posts to account with a CSV import. Please choose the social profile you want to share on. You have to just select one or you don't select anyone. You have here how should you prepare your spreadsheet. download a simple spreadsheet, and we have here view to fix if you have questions. Then we have here choose to file, and then the category also, for example, our blog and videos. And here we have a post to the top, a post to the bottom, so you click over it, and then that's it for import CSV. Then we have import links also, turn 1,000 links into 1,000 posts by quickly importing them to your account. You write your link here, category, for example, engaging posts. Then we have append text also here, and that's it. Then we have import media also here. Save time by importing your media in bulk. It works with images and videos. For example, categories here, print text. Then we have your RSS. Add, edit, and remove your RSS feeds below. Keep in mind that they refresh every hour. You click over Add RSS, and you just write your category and append text also. And then you click over Create. Then we have here Pocket also, secure browser and extension. So it's the same about all of that. Then we have social media copilot. So here we have answered the questions below to generate a strategy for your schedule that is relevant and on trend for your profiles. Find out more on how to use the social media copilot here. So you have just to answer for these questions. For example, the first question we have, who are you creating this for? I will click over person, what's your name, you write your name, and you answer all these questions, then you get started. Then we have your schedule setup. About this one, it's very important. It's why this SocialBee is. So we have schedule setup. This is how your categories are scheduled. Look good. If not, just change it. For example, here we have campaign views. So I need to post a post Wednesday. I will click add posting time. I will select the category here, created. Then I will select how much days. For example, I will select 5 days. Then I will select posting time. For example, 7 o'clock. As you can see, then you have just to click over create, and this is how it works. If you want a Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, that's for YouTube because I choose YouTube before. If you choose Instagram or TikTok, you will get started. So this SocialBee, it's very important because it's just planning for how you can post your videos or other things like that. We have also calendar views here, and then we have next posts. View your next posts. Take a look at your upcoming 100 posts. For example, can review, with review, preview, and filled posts. Then we have here analytics also, SocialBee services, and we have engaged dashboard. You can just click over add new board, and you write your name. Then you have to click over save. So this is how it works with SocialBee, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.